Hey guys, what's up? In this tutorial we're going to teach you how you can create a new or start a new video project on Shotcut. So let us get started. So launch Shotcut on your PC or laptop, for example. And here on that home screen, guys, click into File in the top left corner, select New, or use the shortcut Control N. After that, you will be given the opportunity to customize your new project before you add video clips, for example, to it, to edit and to customize these later. So give your project a name, like for example my video project or something like that, and here select the project folder where you'd like to save your exported videos in later on your device. And here below, guys, you may select the video mode. Video modes will allow you, for example, to apply saved video settings like aspect ratio, the resolution, the FPS rates, and so on and so forth for the given video clip within the given project name, so that you don't have to set up these manually. So you may go with a video mode, click into it, select one of these presets here with these FPS rates or that resolution, or create a custom one by clicking into custom and add here, or select one of your preset saved video modes. And once you're content, guys, simply click into start here. That is going to create your new video project. So now what you want to do, guys, is add a video and an audio track by clicking into these three lines here below timeline, over your mouse over track operation, and select the video track. And that is going to add your first video track. You may customize it, rename it, or simply add video files to that video track by sourcing it, for example, from your device. Click into open file here, locate the given video clips. Let me go with these here. And these are going to be added to your playlist, like images or video clips. And after that, move them from your playlist to your video track, release your left mouse, and you may watch them in the preview mode, for example here, or start customizing them, cropping them, trimming them, resizing them, applying various filters and effects to them, and so on and so forth, guys. So that's how you create a new video project on Shotcut. Thanks for watching and have a fantastic day.